having no goose for Christmas. Poor little goose, how can we make her Christmas wish come true? Maybe, if she could talk to humans, they won't hurt her. In our digital world, there must be a way to talk between different species.
Thanks for listening. Don't kill me and my folks anymore, and please hear all of us.
You're right. What else do you have to say?
Stop eating us! Stop animal testing! Stop our slavery! Stop, stop, stop!
Okay, we've done wrong. We are really sorry for our egocentric behaviour. We can learn a lot from each other. From this day on, you are equal to us. Please tell us how to fix the planet.
First, start cleaning our oceans from your garbage. Animals do not deserve such a mess. We will help you.
Stop forestation. Stop, stop, stop.
There is still a long way to go. When we share knowledge and skills, we can make the world a better place. Be our teachers. Join our parliament. We will listen to you. Start to change our world today, because there is only one Earth for us all.